Hi, this is Greg with Calendarsnack. Thanks for stopping by. This is a 2021 review of our technology, and I'm going to drive right into it. So to create a Calendarsnack, all you do is use your universal create command. That is create@calendarsnack.com in your Outlook or Google Calendar. I'm going to say that one more time. To create a Calendarsnack, all you need to do is to use or type in and or sometimes called invite us to your event by using create@calendarsnack.com. What we do is send you back immediately to the organizer. In this case example here, greg@techvader.com has received a Calendarsnack in 10 seconds. That's our automation and our technology in the back. When Greg clicks this button to view, he is put into the dashboard. You can see it right here. This is Greg@techvader's dashboard. Anytime Greg uses this service, create@calendarsnack.com, we are basically filtering his organizer name through your email address into your inbox and basically calling the database for all his events he's ever sent to the Calendarsnack service. That's what the dashboard's all about. So when you click into the dashboard, the first thing you're going to see is the one-click upcoming events landing page. This page streams all your future events to a simple landing page that's automated. So anytime you update your events and send them to our service, we auto stream them in chronological order for RSVP management. This simplifies the whole process of event management and basically getting on people's calendars with your events. When someone puts the email address at the top, they click the button RSVP now, and once they do that, in this case here, Andy at TechVader, he has sent the individual calendar invitations in which we track the calendar receipts and communicate with his calendar for updates, changes, and basically cancels. That's essentially it. It's a one-click RSVP-based landing page. That said, you can see here in detail what happens in the back. We actually send the calendar invite to Andy, and these are independent calendar invitations that are sent directly to him, and then we track all the granulated data from the calendar receipts. So we're communicating with your customer's calendar system independently on your behalf, and we collect that data. So that's said here in more detail in stream 10, 11, 12 across the stream. We collect the data, it shows up in the report, and then when you drill into that report, you'll see the detailed yes, no, maybe, or no action at all in the RSVP when you click this Get Report button. This is the same down here, same repeated process. Andy put his email in, he clicked the button, he got a calendar invite, he said maybe, that shows up in the report, and then it shows up over here, right here. So 13, 14, and 15 are much the same, just in a different light in which Andy received two different calendar invitations. This one here was for December 30th, this one here was for December 7th. So detailed reporting, if I drill into the dashboard, we have basically organized quick reports, and then we move to detailed reporting. This is all of Greg's reports collected off of his data, essentially all calendar invites he's ever sent to the Calendarsnack service show up here in the database. This is a drill into event details, and basically when I go into event details, this is where all the codes are for our landing pages. I showed you the upcoming splash page, which is all the future events for RSVPs, for one-click RSVPs, and then we go into the simple a blue one, a green one, and a gray one, which will show you in upcoming. These are all grab-and-go codes for the single event landing pages that are part of the service as well. And then we have RSVP buttons here. These are codes for one-click RSVP embeds into email marketing providers. And then we have simple form embeds for just web pages. That said, all of our technology is based on a testing platform. The testing platform individually for each event. If you want to test your invitations prior to doing a large email run in, say, MAILCHIMP, you're welcome to do that. This is the world's first testing for calendar invite system, It is automated, and we've put a lot of work into that. We encourage you to test your invitations. If they don't work, or you have done something wrong in the invitation itself, i.e. you have a typo, etc., we encourage you just to basically delete, cancel that invitation, obviously start over. These are the single landing pages. We include 4 of them. This is kind of the portfolio layout from 22 to 23. Across the top here, we have the simple white one. We have a blue one, a green one, a gray one. These are all auto-generated and included in the Calendarsnack service. It's a simple grab-and-go button and how you want to basically deploy this. This is all automated. All this information is scraped right off your calendar invitation you sent to us. That said, for upcoming event landing page, there is a customization feature if you want to for logo. And we are going to move into details here on the email marketing option for RSVP buttons. Essentially, these are grab-and-go buttons. When you grab these buttons here, this code behind them is for 1-click RSVPs. In MailChimp, ConvertKit, Klaviyo, and SendGrid. Those codes are right here. If you want to use a different redirect landing page, that's included in the service. And then in addition, for all the do-it-yourself email marketing people out in the world, and we've had many customers request this, we've brought it back. You're allowed to design your own email marketing CTA link. Obviously in the universe, there's literally hundreds of email providers. It's just easier for us to support the big 4 across the top here, and then say if you're working with another email provider, we totally respect that. Go at it. Here's how to actually build your own merge code, 1-click embeddable button, and that's what this is all about down here. Once you build it, you can grab the code here, then insert it into your email marketing platform for 1-click RSVP. So moving on, the web form, live page preview option is right here. We have basically a single box with nothing around it that allows your marketing team or HTML team to design around this box. This box is your calendar invitation specific for your event. And then we have a simpler one here for a web embed that we've included the basically the top of the event or the summary event right there. So that's it. Just a quick wrap up. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and thanks for stopping by. We hope you come by and try us out, and thanks for all y'all that have been using our service.